Alright, so now I'm going to apply conditional formatting to this table. We're going to make the satisfaction score change color and text. So if the number is above 8, we will turn the cell green with blue font. So we go up here to conditional, it's the little colourful box here, click manage, and click add, cell value is greater than 8. We're going to change the accent to a new style. We'll search green, just put green. And then font effects to change the colour to with a dark blue, and the background, click colour, and we'll make that green. Click OK. Make apply style, click green, and that's what it will look like. The cell range, click this box here, select those, and hit enter. It doesn't like that. Okay, there we go, and then we'll click OK, and we'll click OK, and there you go. That is conditional formatting.